So we really believe that one of the latest innovation that has been great value in the antenna market is how to deploy in a more automated manner. So in some antenna manufacturers are integrating no-touch commissioning technologies in order to throw the antenna in the floor and be able to install, commission, and orchestrate that antenna. And additionally to that, they are able to maintain remotely. So they don't need to fly a helicopter to deploy an out-of-wire antenna. They don't need to have a crew installing those antennas. They don't need to have a soldier installing those antennas. It's fully just plug and play, throw and works. So we see that today parabolic antennas are very good on providing this capability of multi-orbit thanks to partnerships with different LEO constellations by parabolic antennas, but we see forward that flat panel antenna could play a role, a critical role, as instead of needing two antennas, you will need one. And also they optimize as well their capabilities thanks to the higher throughput. So in that regard, we see that the flat panel antennas with the right technologies could play a big role. We actually are looking at this in the link budget perspective and the design of the network perspective with LEO and MEO, and we see the gains that the flat panel antenna is able to obtain thanks to those new constellations and thanks to those throughputs that the LEO and MEO are bringing. So we see that the impact needs to happen with a lower price point, with more automation, with smarter antennas that are able to discriminate adjacent satellites and are able to mitigate any possible interferences, not only in the GEO arc, also mitigating interferences between LEO and GEO, MEO and GEO, as well as LEO to MEO and LEO to LEO. It is a very congested environment of the coming constellations. So there is a lot of technology advance that is required for those multi-constellations to work together in a reliable and available manner. So I believe that in the antenna, a new set of hardware will be absolutely required for new higher bands, as well as narrower beams, as well as being able to capitalize all these satellite constellations that are moving up in frequency, that are looking at new business plans as well, and we look forward to those new developments. So one of the technologies that we created was the capability of interference removal, interference mitigation, interference cleaning. So we developed CleanRF that is being able to make the satellite links works even when terrestrial links are there and interfering in the same band. So whether it's a satellite interference in clean carrier modulated or actually a 5G network over C-band, we are able to clean that interference before the modem is received, so only receive the wanted carrier, the desired signal. So in that regard, we are glad to say we are bringing that product to market and enabling the market, even there is a very congested spectrum in the ground.